London, New York, snap. Yeah, Macdicator the map. Yeah. Run it back. Open bell ring, I'm already locked in. Charts on the wall, every candle I'm clocking. Green, red flip, I'm 7-9 shock win. Futures in my face, at the profit I'm boxing. From Tokyo nights to the fog over Thames to the screens in Manhattan, I'm bending these trends. Snapping my entries, I line up the lens. Bottom to the top, then I write it back again. 1 tick, 2 tick, 3 tick, 4. Scalps on scalps, I'm just adding to the score. Every little gap like a faucet that pull. I'm drinking every drop, leaving begging for more. Macdicator the map. Yeah, I'm running the rap from the open to the close. That's a surgery rap. Take a bottom to the top, then I flip it back down. Every level, every letter, I'ma strip it for a pound. Dedicated to the map. Every candle a track. Run it back to the view, like we taking a lap. Haters gonna let them bark in the back. It's already get rap. Watch me double this stack. Blur on the clock, but the mind stays sharp. Precision on point, I'm the second to chart. Lines on the screen like I'm drawing up out, but they push sprint bike, turn a blip to a start. 1 tick, 2 tick, 3 tick, 4. Stack on stack, that's a monkey young core. Take a little pull back, then I prefer some more. Every time he miss breeze is a wide open door. We taking every gap that they said it on tap. Run it back to the view, why don't we spring from the chat? Better yap in the chat, or they try to collapse. Loose me on my flap, but just tighten my straps. Macdicator the map. Yeah, I'm running the rap from the open to the close. That's a surgical route. Take a bottom to the top, then I flip it back down. Every level, every letter, I'ma strip it for pounds. But they go to the mat, every kind of track. Run it back to the bed that we taking a lap. Haters gonna let them bark in the back. It's already get rap. Watch me double this stack. Tokyo screens, I'm awake with the sun. London lunch, I'm still mid-run. New York close, already won. Same chart, same mark, one shot done. 1 tick, 2 tick, 3 tick, 4. Yeah, call at the price, then I walk through the door. Let's go from the low to the high to the low once more. Macdicator on the screen, they know what it's for. Macdicator the map. Yeah, I'm running the rap from the open to the close. It's a surgical route. Take a bottom to the top, then I flip it back down. Every level, every letter, I'ma strip it for pounds. Dedicated to man, every candle I track. Running belly, belly, back. What we taking a lap? Haters gonna yap. Let them bark in the back. It's already a rap. Watch me double this step.
Good morning. Can you hear me okay? It's time to trade. Let's see what's going on. Right now we're looking at gold. I didn't do too good last night. Took a couple trades on the competition account. See, it looks like I got to make some adjustments because my screen wants to be a little off and wonky. Let's see here. Let's pull up some information. What are we trading today? We got the competition going. We have competition from Ninja Trader. That's the ES, crude, gold, and crude oil. And then we have the NQ, which we can go jump right into the NQ and get a quick analysis before market open. All right, so we got the ES up. Let's change this over to the NQ. All right, last night we did some consolidating. after our pump from yesterday's setup. So it looks like a bull flag, essentially. Looks like bull flag from yesterday's pump. Just kind of been in this range, stuck here between 25,431, 426-ish, and 25,279. We have just kind of that balance range, and obviously in the Macdicator, it looks like we bounce right on the top of this price here, 25,292. 25,292. Good morning, Vlad. How are you? How are you trading this morning? So 25,292 and 25,421. We got about 6 minutes before the market opens. So I will guarantee that 25,410 is coming. But we just don't know exactly when. So we got about 20 points there. I'd like to trade that. 16, 15, 16. Not bad. And then we have to the downside, we got the 200 EMA. We got previous day close. So we could come back to 25,354 first. So we'll come here, right? I think we might do one of these for come down to this VWAP, retest it, bounce. Or we could come down and touch this gap here, bounce. Or where's that other gap? Yeah. Or we could bypass all of that. But I won't. Like, you really don't want to trade to here. And if you do want to TP, if I do TP here, 25,410, I tried TP there. See if we can't get that, or you'll shoot back for the 200 EMA on the NQ. Let's do the ES real quick. ES just pushing up. We got a gap down here. 200 EMA is 6,985. VWAP is 6,983, and then we have that gap down there, 6,982. So we could make a lower high like we did here. Follow trend down. And we've found support off these gaps down here and then bounce. So because we're green already, I'd like to see a pullback. So I'd like to see that kind of set up. So, all right, well, we got competition set up. So we can take a couple trades, trying to win, but I'm kind of far behind on that. On the competition, I think. Let's go to the book maps. All right. Interesting. Well, we're trying to break this 25,400 wall. It has 113 contracts. The confluence with the ES wall. Let's look at the other book maps here. Oh, 60 hour. No, it's okay. Not a problem. Good morning. Not a problem at all. So 6,989.50. You know, we got some pretty significant volume up there at 6,994. So, I mean, hey, I have been trading gold lately on the micro side for this competition, and it's been actually quite interesting to watch, play, and do. I really like trading gold. Learning to like it a lot. So we're going to trade some gold and ES today. So we got 21 ounces down here, 31 ounces up at 5,100. We could go up to 51, about $6 more. Could hit that and then kind of come back. Crude oil, got a lot of volume down there, 64.40. Look at that, gap filled. The NQ, beautiful. Market's open. And a rejection. Wow, 200 EMA first. And gold went right up. All right, we're looking at MGC. Now, YM, of course, always making new all-time highs. NQ can't figure out which way he wants to go.
Order rejected.
Cannot catch it.
Stop filled.
Right there, Macdicator gap right there. See if it works out. On MGC. No way I'm going to catch up with those guys anymore. Missed it by a freaking point. Can you believe that? I missed my clearing by a point. Literal tick. Not even a point, but a tick. Like it didn't even clear it. Sheesh. That's a tilt. What the heck? See? Just be like, what the fuck? Finally came back for it after 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Maybe. It didn't even want to come back up to 7. 5,102.70. Man, I don't want to go up there. It won't now. Sheesh. On gold or on NQ? On NQ? Yeah, that's on VWAP right now. It's got those two gaps below. Didn't come up for that gap up top yet at 25,410. It barely tapped the 410 in the 1 minute candle after open. That's why I would take it like right before 409. If I was on going long or trying to go long, but it's a different day. Consolidating, even from last night. And I can't even seem to get it right on I literally landed right on the line to take me out. Now look at that. It'll take my TP, my stop loss, before it even wants to take my TP. Wow. Yeah, that's trading. That is trading, huh? Sheesh.
Stop filled.
See? Look at that. I had my TP right here at 5102.70 and it tapped it. It did not take the order. And then came down and hit my stop loss. Golly. Doesn't matter if it does it, right? If it's not at that price, it won't take it. What's today's title? Sometimes you can be on the money for an exit. It won't take your order and it'll go take your stop loss order. Well, yeah, I want to short gold too, but let's try shorting it right here. And I want a TP down here at this Macdicator gap down here. We got a little gap right here, auction gap. See if it comes up and retest the 520 cross. It might. It's moving pretty fast. And then we might come and bounce right here at 5,080. Unless we go straight to it right now. But NQ's dumping off. I wouldn't even be surprised if we went back down here to this pivot in the VWAP down here on gold. And NQ selling off, huh? Right here, we got a gap at 25,291 on the full screen. Full screen. Oh, that's fine. I'm learning what screen I'm in. I'm in a trade. Shoot. So we did the dance above 5,081 on gold. And also, dude, that's open. So let's see if we go back up to 5,090.50. Nope. Thing is continuing lower. Need to get into smaller smaller range here. Hold a second. Let's see if we turn around. Oh, NQ's doing a reversal. Let's see if we go back up to right about V-shaped recovery. Be nice. Get better entry to go long. Wow, NQ's pulling back 25, 324 on that big candle. Big candles on NQ. Yeah, if I want a long gold, he wants a short 200. Just fade me. Just fade my entries. Right there, 200 EMA. Bouncing right up. No. Might as well trade to it. This competition is way past my league now. What's that? The $5,954. I'm down $1,800. I haven't even really. Yesterday I wasn't able to focus on it. I got a lot of stuff I had to do. And then those two trades, this one kind of put me on tilt though. Naturally, then when it came up and tapped that, kind of put me on tilt. So I was like, are you serious? I'm in a simulated account. And it won't even take the trade when the price lands on it. We could continue down lower. I'm gonna shoot for this gap here at 5,085.70. Nah, this is gonna dump right through. Finding resistance on the 200 EMA we got right here. Only if my stop loss was my TP. Interesting. And Q's finally finding a support. Looks like. Oh, gold is all over the place. Now it's lower. All right. Should have trusted my green line down there. Eesh, look at that dump off. Oh my. We got VWAP down there. Let's see if we can't
Order
catch it.
rejected.
I bet you we get down to here. 5,048. I'll come back to my stop loss first. Watch. I'm just not seeing this market right lately. I've been busy creating. I did finish my ending, so I got an outro. Quick, fast, and easy, so hopefully y'all like it. There's the one little tweak that I want to do to it, but it's pretty much finished for now. All right, got minus development right here to the VWAP. We could bounce here. This is the mean here at 5,556.80. If we were to come back down to 5,047.90, it'd be one very interesting dump. But oh, I mean, just fade me and you'll be good. That will it finally come down to what I needed to come down to? VWAP done on gold. Are there any more? Is there any more? Do we have any more? Yeah, we do. Yeehaw, let's ride. Okay, we're coming right to it. Let's drop this further. There it is. There's the touch. I would have TP'd there, but I think we go lower. Or we could bounce here. It's 25,045. Still going. That was a buy. Here's the next gap on this chart. Let's see if we can make it all the way down to 4,078. There's a pivot right here, 5,009. But it could bounce here. If it does give this up right here, man, could be in good profits. Testing out this mean right here, 5,056.90. Trading MGC. Coming right back up to the view app. The MES doing? Popping up, popping up.
Order filled.
Going short. Managing MGC. Gonna MES. Nah, MES was a pump. Sheesh. Finding support on the 200 EMA. Below the view app on NQ. Still kind of trying to push its way through. Yeah. Indices still want all-time highs. Gold right back up to entry. Yeah, I see that. Can't stay below VWAP now. MES is still popping up to the moon. Managing gold. Be right back. tight. I gotta check on something real quick. Just gonna try to get out here at break even or close to it. Did this V-shaped recovery on the indices. Gold must be dropping. Oh, no, it's just holding. MES to the moon. I'm done with this trade at $100 loss. I don't have the patience of a micro. Like, see, watch it turn around, come back to the 200 EMA. We do need a 200 EMA retest, so that's one thing I like about buying the 200 EMA. If you have the funds to hold, you can hold back to break even add into the position. But give me a minute. You guys get ready, please. Oh. Ah, man. Can't win. Really hoping for a deeper pullback on gold. It didn't get very far. Didn't get very far at all. Dang. Okay. All right. Yes. Holy cow. Wow. It took a whole lot of buying to get to that NASDAQ gap. Look at that. Sheesh. Well, let's see what we do. So Lauren Mills, was the bear trap for the indices, or was the bear trap for gold? I think you meant that for like NQ, ES, and then you said you called it. It was a massive bear flag on the gold. So, but dang. NQES hasn't pulled back since. Touching the VWAP on gold. Not sticking it to it. Not sticking to it at all. We went long on ES. It's a big bear flag. Been super tired. Been editing and putting things together and getting stuff together. All right, do we fall below? Do we go check out 5,043 or do we bounce off this mean here at 5,056.90? Nice little pull. See what happens. ES and Q pulling back, gold's pulling back. Maybe that's the 2-minute pullback. We'll see. TP right here at 5,047, went long and shorted it. Competition trading is different. It is a different animal. Right. You learn. Take it to learning if you can't get it to the top, right? Doesn't cost me any money to learn. Education today is free. Free. So all right, let's see. sitting here watching gold. I'm in the bunny, obviously. It's it could dump off, it could pump. I don't know exactly what it could do, but at the end of the day, we'll see. Still up on the day for profit, but MES isn't pulling back yet. It's kind of stuck here in this bull flag that it just made. We'll see. All right, let's see what MES is at. Popping up. 7,250 on the ES. Gold can't seem to stay down. Sheesh.
Mom.
Got one canceling the other.
Mom.
Why? How can you tell that Trade-A-Bait's lagging for you, Lauren? Or is it because my Trade-A-Bait that's lagging? I mean, I have like a 1.6 latency, and I'm showing you Trade-A-Bait, so you guys should see my price update pretty quickly. Oh, is my price moving faster then? Because I have a latency of like 1.8 seconds, which isn't bad. Oh. Sheesh. That's no fun. All right, time to shave the beard, huh? Cut the beard off. Shave it, just trim it. And then, obviously, I think I need a haircut. Right? Look at how short my hair is. $5,066 on MGC. Like the entry of a lifetime. Keeps coming back and rejecting, coming back, rejecting. If I had my stop loss right in here, I'd be out. Like, and then of course it comes back and teases all the way back down to the VWAP. Then we got the 200 EMA right here. See, every time, just like, just buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. $100 each time. But I think we go deeper down into the territory of this gold here. This was a gap, I think. You could cut that up as a gap. Down here. Yep. Looking for these green lines. Massive bear flag. Right back up to 5,066. Somebody likes their 5,066. Sheesh. Even with 3 micros, it can get interesting. 1 micro is good size. On gold. The way it moves. I don't normally trade gold, but I've been liking the way it moves. For charting, you don't like Quantower's charts? Is that what you're saying, Supersonic? I mean, I like trading on Trade-Avates because I get a little bit more options. Like this is a 30-second chart that you're looking at right now. In the MES, this is a 30-second chart. The NQ, this is a 1-minute chart. That's right, you like fibs and indicators. Yeah, let's get some good indicators. There it goes. Oh, ES just broke. Not hold 7,000. Let's see if it comes back to 6,992 on the ES. Yeah, the TradingView is by far one of the best charting systems you could have. It's unfortunate they're not a broker. And it's nice how you can take trades on it, but oh my, the ES just pulled back immense, right back down to almost my TP, but I should have been able to break even at least, huh? Goodness. Come on, 200 EMA bounce. Interesting. You know, 3 micros turned me into a hope and holder. Like, are we gonna break this mean, this 200 EMA, this VWAP? Is it gonna be abrupt? We're gonna go test 69.70. Like, man, I just want to catch my 10 points and go home, you know? But great learning experience. Anybody else in the competition besides me? I mean, I'm behind. There's no way. I'm already down 2K. Really? Ninja Trader had a competition. My rank is 780. Oh, you don't trade on Ninja? It's free. It's free competitions. I just haven't, to be honest, I haven't, this is a 4-day competition, so I haven't even been able to really focus the very first day. And the first day, they were up like $1,000 in the first hour. Oh, the grand prize is $500. Real to win, free to play. It's almost like a prop firm payout, $500 in 5 days. But I understand the payout request situation. Or if you win, it takes like 3 weeks to get the money. But still. Unless you have it credited to the Trade-ALEXTWB account. If you win, yeah. $500. But we had a winner in the Bookmaps. Griff can trade. He won 2nd place. And he won like $1,000. And he said it took him like 3 weeks to get the money. But and you have options though. You can have it funded to your Trade-ALEXTWB. If you don't use Trade-ALEXTWB, they can cut you a check, I think. I don't know, a couple different options. Direct deposit to you, something like that. But man, ES just popped right back up. Gotta love that. Gold, dump off. What do we got for gold? Just dump off. $18 lots down there on gold. Somebody likes their 5,066. I can't get over that number for some reason. All right, let me grab your attention real quick. Well, I really appreciate you guys joining me this morning. I'm not doing well in the competition. I'm down $2,000, but it is what it is. So appreciate you showing up. Thank you for joining me. Hope you enjoyed the outro, and we'll see you tomorrow morning, same time. So I'll see if I can't be a little bit more set up. I'm gonna trade. I'm gonna probably exit myself out of the comp. Probably trade it for, you know, learning's sake, but it's time to go back to the evals and PAs. So see you tomorrow. Thanks. Peace.
Hello.
Hello.
Did you enjoy the stream?
I did. Thank you for watching.
Same small dream of getting this right. Hey. Think with Bookmaps, trust that chat, slow control, no FOMO. Ryan Mac teach us that if you're here for the climb, not just the hit, pull up a chair, yeah, you're built for this.